Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today I'm going to make loaded baked potato soup in the crock pot. It's kind of a real super simple recipe. It was given to me by a friend and subscriber who wishes to remain anonymous. Excuse me. It's like I started out like 4:30 this morning, got ready for work and everything. You know, I'm getting ready to put this on right before I go out the door here. It's about roughly 5:30. So, well, earlier than that, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm rambling because it's early. Sorry, but this cooks all day. So, sacrifices I make for y'all. So, let me get the camera turned around here. Sorry if it's shaky. I don't have my tripod in the house. It's out in the shop. I forgot to grab it. Duh. Anyways, get to this. I'm rambling. I'll get the camera turned around, show y'all what we got. Bring it right back. Alright y'all, we're going to start by chopping these taters up here, and we'll get them thrown into the crock pot. Then we'll add the other ingredients here. So, got my knife here, and let's get the chopping. Bam! We got them taters all cut up, got them in the crock pot there. That's, I don't remember if I said at the beginning of the other segment there, but this is roughly 10 medium-sized potatoes. Recipe calls for 3 pounds. I don't have a scales. I don't have kitchen scales. But anyways, I digress. But to this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I use kosher salt. Half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And then roughly a heaping teaspoon of ranch seasoning. So just going to take that, kind of dump it over all that. And then also in this thing here, we're going to add, what is this, 32 ounces of chicken broth. So let's dump that in there. Kind of wash all that stuff down and around there, you know. So, but sorry about that. But yep, get that all down in there. And the original recipe, or whatever you want to call it, that they gave me, said to cook it on high for 4 to 5 hours. Well, I'm gone 8, 9, 10, well, 9, 10, 11 hours. So I'm going to cook it on low all day. Hopefully that doesn't affect the outcome. But after this cooks all day, we do have some sour cream, some cheddar cheese, bacon bits, or crumbled bacon, whatever you want to call it. All that stuff to put in there. Also, I forgot, I got to get I got some finely chopped onion to put in here too. But I can't reach it from where I'm standing here, so give me a minute, and I'll grab that, and we'll put that in there too. Alright y'all, it's been a minute here. For you guys, it's probably just been a couple seconds, but for me it's been probably close to 11 hours. I had to stay over a little bit at work, no big deal. We're going to continue on with this recipe here, and we got the potatoes all cooking there. They're all nice and bubbly, and oh yeah, they're nice and soft. I think they're about ready to go there. So let's start out here. We got it says for a half a pound of bacon. I may have used a little bit more, but we're gonna add that in there. And that says 3/4 of a cup of half and half. So we're gonna add that in there. It says 3/4 of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. We got that. And then half a cup of sour cream. Okay. There it goes. Let me grab something to get that out of there with. So. I know I probably shouldn't be using metal utensils on metal, but sorry, it's the first thing I grabbed. So, alright, we got that all in there. And it says just to mix that stuff up. I probably should grab a bigger spoon. Get all that goodness off of there. Yeah, we got a bigger spoon right here. So get that cheddar cheese down in there. And I'm going to adjust this recipe as I see fit once I get it, get everything all mixed in here. And once I give it a taste test. Now it says, the recipe I'm following says to let this cook for another 20 minutes on low, which I've had it on low all day. So I'm going to throw the cover back on this, let it cook for 20 minutes, and we will bring you all back and continue on with the next step. Alright y'all, this has been kind of cooking away here for the last about 20 minutes or a little bit there more. Next step, it says to stir it and then mush it with a potato masher. So it smells really good. And this did call for red skin potatoes, which when I went to the store, they did not have any. So we're going to try it with these ones. So this actually looks really, really good. So like I said, I never made this before, so I don't know how much to mush it. I guess until the consistency that I want. You know what I'm saying? I've got my spoon here. We'll give this a little stir and see how many big chunks we got left down in there. Oh, I scraped it off the bottom there. Sorry if my hand's in the way. There's still a few big chunks, but not bad. We'll go through her one more time here. See how this turns out here. I don't mind a few chunks of my potato soup here. Oh yeah, that's thickening up nicely. Look at that. I was afraid it was going to be too liquidy until after I mashed them suckers. Alright. Well, give her a little stir here. Oh, that looks delicious, y'all. Alright. Well, I'm going to grab me a bowl, spoon some of this out, and we will give her a taste test. We'll bring y'all right back. Alright y'all, here you go. My new recipe here that I got from a subscriber and a very good friend of mine. Loaded baked potato soup. Did a little fancy garnish here with a little bit of that little leftover bacon, a little more cheddar cheese, and a little dollop of sour cream here. So I'm going to go ahead and take a bite of this. We will let you all know exactly how it tastes. Whoa, y'all. That is delicious. That is like one of the best potato soups that I have had in a long, long time. Looking at it, it doesn't look that good. You know, thinking at the recipe and stuff, but wow. I can actually taste that ranch seasoning in there, the sour cream, the bacon. I'm going to have another bite, but I want a little bit of sour cream in there. That is awesome. That is, whew. Y'all definitely have to try this. This is super easy. You know, so easy, even a bear can do it. So, alright. There you got it, y'all. You know, delicious. Alright, y'all, there you go. Another super delicious, but yet super easy recipe from the bear. Loaded baked potato soup. Really hope y'all give it a try. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get all the notifications. Get my weekly Wednesday cooking video. Get the Saturday mechanical or general life videos. Don't forget about my Sunday weekly live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time on my channel. Appreciate y'all stopping by and checking it out. I really hope you do all, try this. If you want a hard copy of the recipe, I can email it to you. Just hit me up with an email. It's on my home page under the About tab there. Should be a link down there to my email. Hit me up there and I will get it out to you. But that is for now. So like I said, again, if y'all weren't watching them, I wouldn't be making them. Man, I think I'm gaining a little bit of weight from all these cooking videos y'all are watching. Might have to, take a little break from them. Nah. Catch y'all on the next one. Bear appetit. Bye.